Welcome back. Tonight we're going here, Hickory Tavern. It's located on Celanese Road in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Been here before, but it's been a while. The last time I come here, we'll talk about that in a little bit. Meeting a couple of my friends here, and we're gonna go in here and see if we can get some food. So y'all stay with us. 45-minute wait. The bad part is there's tables everywhere that's open. All kind of booths and everything. They said the kitchen staff is slowing them down tonight. I don't know what's going on with that, but we'll see in a few minutes. So y'all don't go nowhere. See, there's tables right there. There's all kind of tables on the other side over there. Over there. So I don't know what the deal is. There's a little fat head standing over there. All right. Now the story. Last time I was here, they had all unique crab legs. And me and about 6 of my associates that can eat bunches of crab legs came here. They never had crab legs again. After that, that was the end of crab legs. We run them people to death. So that's the story behind the last time I was here. Stay tuned. All right, I don't know what everybody else ordered, but I ordered Nachos Deluxe and bread. The bread they got here is like the best bread I've ever eaten in my life. It's like that honey bread. If it's what I remember it is, it's good. And the Nachos Deluxe, I basically ordered that as a meal, so we'll see what everybody ordered when it come out. I'm not going to try to guess because it's loud in here. And we're going to be playing music bingo in a few minutes. I don't know how to do this, so this may be interesting. They playing bingo. I need to win that $250 cash. Daddy needs a new fishing rod. Here it goes. Hope I don't get a copyright strike. You probably can't hear it no way. Van Halen. I don't know what it is. I don't understand that either. That ain't heavy metal. I can't. Ain't gotta happen. All right, this is what everybody got. Chips and queso and Hickeys. See the Hickey? What's that?
Buffalo chicken nuggets.
Buffalo chicken?
Barbecue chicken nuggets.
Barbecue chicken. What's that?
Is it bang bang shrimp? Bang bang bang.
Bang bang shrimp. Look at that. That's Nachos Deluxe. And bread. That's that crack bread I was talking about. Oh my God.
That bread almost made me and Preston get a divorce.
They're good. That's right. I lost bingo. I was one away. Some of them songs I couldn't identify because they were too new, so I lost. I won't lose this time. They got some old stuff on there this time. I'm gonna get it this time. Watch. All right. I ain't really trying to be critical, but y'all see that? That was the norm on those. There's a lot of that going on in there. Like they've been putting the oven and left too long. It's just not real fresh. He says his is about the same way.
Why do you take that?
What about yours?
I'm good.
We don't know about him yet. He's ordered like another plate. So, but I can't say I'm really impressed with these thingies so far. I mean, they're all right in places, but bread was good until she stole one of mine. with her big old hickey neck going on. Yeah, I say hickey. Oh, look at that right. What she ordered? Look at that. I hope it's better than my food was. I'm not impressed.